In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DocuSign envelope stuck pending. If your document seems frozen in pending and recipients aren't moving through the workflow, don't worry, we'll walk through the exact checks to get it flowing again, and I'll share practical tips along the way. Start by opening the envelope in DocuSign and looking at its status. You want to see whether it's waiting for recipients, has been viewed, or is awaiting your action. This tells you who the ball is with right now, so you don't chase the wrong person or change the wrong setting. Next, verify the recipient order. If signing order is enabled, DocuSign won't notify the next person until the current signer finishes. Make sure the current recipient has completed their part. If the order is intentional, leave it. If the order is causing a holdup, adjust it so the right person is next. Now confirm each recipient's email address. A single typo can stall the whole envelope. Double-check spelling and domains, correct any mistakes, and then resend if you made a fix. Quick note before we keep going. I've placed the official DocuSign website link and the app download link right at the top of the description in case you need quick access. Resend the envelope to prompt the recipient again. Open the envelope and choose Resend to send a fresh notification. Ask the recipient to check their inbox, spam, and any focused or filtered folders. If their company has strict filters, they may need to allow DocuSign emails. Review the document for missing required fields. Unassigned required fields or fields assigned to the wrong person will block progress. Walk through each page to confirm every required field is assigned to the correct recipient. Pay special attention to signatures, initials, dates, and checkboxes. Check expiration and reminders. Make sure the envelope hasn't expired. If it has, extend the expiration or recreate it. You can also adjust reminder settings to nudge recipients on a schedule. If a recipient still can't proceed, copy the direct signing link from the envelope and share it with them. Send it through a secure channel and remind them not to post it publicly. When all else fails, void and resend. Void the stuck envelope. Create a new one with the corrected settings and addresses and send it out fresh. Often a clean start resolves hidden issues. That's how to fix a DocuSign envelope stuck in pending status. Thanks for watching.